Enabling SMS authentication on your KuCoin account adds an extra layer of security. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your KuCoin account. Visit the KuCoin website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the phone number you want to use for SMS authentication. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the Security section in the menu. This is where you can manage your authentication methods. Step 3. Select SMS Authentication. In the Security settings, find the option for SMS Authentication. Click on it to begin the setup process. You may need to verify your identity through other means such as email or existing authentication methods. Step 4. Enter your phone number. Input the mobile phone number you wish to use for SMS authentication. Make sure to select the correct country code. After entering your number, click on the verification button to receive a code. Step 5. Verify your phone number. Check your phone for the SMS code sent by KuCoin. Enter this code in the provided field on the website or app. Once verified, SMS authentication will be enabled for your account. Now you have successfully enabled SMS authentication on your KuCoin account. This added security measure will help protect your assets and personal information.